Hi guys, it's Dean. Somebody posted something this morning and it made me think. They posted who is the best detailer, and it got me to thinking. You know what? There is no best detailer. Every one of us is unique. Every one of us can do amazing things with amazing aspects of detailing. Uh, the best thing to do is follow your passion. If you really love detailing, pursue it as a career. Learn as much as you possibly can to make your life easier. Like get the tools you need, get the advice you need. Run your business like a real business, and be top of your game. And the way to do that is listen to your customers, listen to their feedback, and learn from the people that are supportive and positive out there that are actually successful. That's how you're going to be the best you can be. I really don't worry about who the best detailer is, because I know I'm the best I can be, and I've seen a lot of guys that can do amazing stuff that I can't do, and I'm good with that, because I do the very best I can every single time I work on a customer's car, and they love me for it. So that's the goal. I mean, if you're out there every day helping people, making them ecstatic when they pick their vehicle up, and getting more and more customers, that's all that matters. There is no best. So anyways, just wanted to say that to you guys, and wish you all the best. And you know what? There's tons of information out there. Anybody can succeed beyond their own expectations. And I'm telling you right now, don't look to your friends, your family, and don't look to them for support. The person that's going to push you the most is the successful people that are doing what you do, and the person you see in the mirror every morning. Okay? All the best, guys, and I hope you guys exceed beyond your wildest dreams. Okay? Talk to you again. Bye.